Today we're going to be making a jet boil meal for lunch. Jet boil, if you don't have one while you're camping, you're missing out. Boils water super fast. They have a ton of really good meals. Freeze dried, so they last forever. This is the Adventure Meals Mountain House chicken and mashed potatoes. This is our jet boil right here. And here we've got our little gas canister. What we need to do for this one is we need to boil 1.5 cups of water. So luckily the jet boil has a little measuring cup here, so we're going to measure that out and get going. So as you can see, it's 1.5 cups of water that we need to add. That's 12 fluid ounces. And jet boil, conveniently enough, has a measuring device there right inside, so we'll know when we hit 12 ounces. Okay, we have set up the jet boil system. You can see it's very hot in there, and it is now boiling the water. It actually goes pretty fast, so you can see the flame inside there. It is heating up that water. Once it gets boiling, we will add it to the packet. Okay, so now we have the boiled water. Add it to the chicken. We've taken out the mashed potatoes.
These are the chicken.
You don't want to
pieces?
eat this.
Wow.
Those are chicken breasts. Yeah.
Oh,
Here we go. Gotta leave it in there for 5 minutes. So we'll put a little timer on. Put it in there. You can see it. It's all nice and warm. We're gonna seal it up. Be good to go.
You don't add mashed potato yet?
Not yet.
Okay.
So it's actually good you brought that, because this would have been a bad one to do on the trail.
Really?
You need to have a plate. All right, we're now going to take the chicken out. Looks pretty good. Yeah?
Mm-hmm.
And take that out. We're going to put the mashed potatoes into the same water. It's hot.
Wow, that's amazing.
Yeah, right? Look at this.
This is 2 servings, FYI.
Yeah, 2 servings.
Helicopter.
Now it says we have to add the potatoes. And add this in there for 2 minutes. And we should be good to go. Pretty easy.
You got it. Mm-hmm. Yeah.
All right, we have the finished product. The potatoes. You ready to look at this? This is going to be real beautiful. Look at that. Doesn't that look good? You have to stir it. It's supposed to be stirred. You'll see after we stir it. It's going to look so good. Oh yeah, here we go. Wow, it's looking good. Can't wait. So now we'll just serve this mashed potatoes. See, look at that. Isn't that good? Serve that with our chicken. It'll be good to go. Look at that finished product. That looks beautiful. Especially for a quick meal. Can't beat that. The flies are already getting it.